Tamil Nadu is gearing up for a major political battle as assembly elections are set to take place this year. Political parties have already started preparing for the big contest. And now a strong political statement from Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has added fresh heat to the election atmosphere. On February 25th, a team from the Election Commission led by Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar is scheduled to visit Tamil Nadu. This visit clearly signals that important announcement regarding the election schedule could be made soon. With this development, political activity in the state has picked up pace. In the middle of all this, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has made a bold claim. He has confidently stated that after the upcoming assembly elections, the DMK will return to power once again. According to him, just like the people of Tamil Nadu, he is confident that the DMK government will be formed again within the next 2 months. Stalin said he has fulfilled the responsibility given to him and believes he can make Tamil Nadu even more prosperous. He also expressed gratitude to the people of the state for trusting him. Not only did he predict a comeback, but he also promised that once the government is formed again, development projects will move forward at a faster speed and with full energy. Political observers believe this statement is a direct message to the BJP. As we know, the BJP has been trying hard to strengthen its position in the southern states, including Tamil Nadu. The party is putting in strong efforts to improve its presence and performance in the upcoming elections. With Stalin openly declaring that the DMK will return to power, the political battle in Tamil Nadu has officially intensified. Many analysts see this strong confidence as a pressure point for the BJP. Now all eyes are on the Election Commission's next move and the official announcement of the poll dates. The countdown to Tamil Nadu's big political showdown has truly begun.